Good morning, my students. Today I will teach you the evaporation. Already in previous class we have covered the definition of evaporation. Today I will explain you what are the factors due to which the rate of evaporation increases. वो कौन सारे कारण हैं जो rate of evaporation को बढ़ाते हैं और rate of evaporation depends. There should be a question that what are the factors due to which the rate of evaporation increases. Before you go to that, once again recap the previous. What is evaporation? It is a process in which liquid is converted into its vapor phase below its boiling point. Now, the evaporation is a continuous process. At any temperature it continues. And what factor will govern it? Now let's talk regarding that. Surface area. Students, the evaporation takes place from the surface area only, upper surface of the liquid. If you are keeping the liquid in a glass, the evaporation will take place from the liquid and air meets that point only, not any other part of that liquid. It is on the surface. That's why the surface area governs. Same amount of water, the rate of evaporation will be more in the place of if you put the same amount of water in a plate, in a glass, in a bottle. Same amount, say 250 milliliters of water, 200 ml of water you are keeping in a glass, surface area is this, you are keeping in a plate. The surface area is somewhat this, and you are keeping in a water, the surface area is this. So, what evaporation will take place from this area? Now from this area, you can imagine more number of molecules will escape and evaporation will take place from this. So definitely rate of evaporation will be more in the case of plate than in the glass and then in the bottle. So rate of surface area is more number of molecules of water will escape into the air, and that results in the increase in the rate of evaporation. Is it clear? Now, how? Another question you can make it. Question number 1, question number 2. Explain effect of surface area in evaporation. Question number 3 we will discuss it. Second point. So you can write this second point. Increase in temperature. Temperature R-A-T-U-R, temperature. Now we will discuss that what is the effect of surface area. Here we will discuss that what is the effect of temperature. What is the effect of temperature? If temperature is more, the rate of evaporation will be more. If the temperature is more, the rate of evaporation will be more. Now think of how it is more. How it is more. So If the temperature is more, the rate of evaporation is more. Explanation you can take it in this way. Temperature. Okay. Now how it is more? Take it up, the matter. Here the molecules have got the kinetic energy. If more temperature is there, kinetic energy will increase. If the more temperature is there, kinetic energy will increase. With increase in kinetic energy, with increase in kinetic energy, more and more molecule will escape to the air. If it is more, it will escape more. So more number of molecule will escape into the air. If temperature is less, the kinetic energy of the molecule will be less. A kinetic energy of the molecule will be less. So less molecule will escape into the air, because every liquid molecule had their bond energy. Every molecule has got their force of attraction. So the kinetic energy overcomes the binding forces. That is the electrostatic force of attraction. Binding forces and molecule escapes. So with increase in temperature, with increase in temperature, the rate of evaporation with increase in temperature, the rate of evaporation also increases. Due to increases, it is caused due to increase in kinetic energy. Due to increase in kinetic energy. Now the third question you can write it. What is change in evaporation when there is increase in temperature? There is increase in temperature. ठीक है. Now try to write all the questions. Okay, the children, write all the questions. We will go to the next questions again. We have completed the three questions. Now ठीक है. Now we will go to the third part. Factor number 1 surface, factor number 2 temperature, factor number 3 humidity. What is the effect of humidity? Now what is the humidity? Amount of in the air is known as its humidity. Amount of water molecule present in the air is known as humidity. Now we will discuss the humidity. So another question you can write it, define humidity. Define humidity. It is the amount of water molecules, amount of water present in air. Amount of water present in the air is known as humidity. Now what is humidity? You have come to know. Now we will take the special examples which you can view experimentally. Now take this. Try to, I will show you here. You try to understand the figure from the top. So it is a container. Now you have sealed it. You have covered that. Now your water is this much. These are the humidity. So now to try to understand that how the evaporation is taking places and what are the effect of humidity. So the water molecules on the top of the surface, which are being pushed from behind due to kinetic energy of the water molecules, due to kinetic energy of the other molecules. It is like this. So it escapes. These molecules will escape and the other molecule will push it. So these liquid molecules escapes from the surface. So from liquid medium go to the molecule to the gaseous medium. Now in the gaseous state, water molecules is increasing. More and more humidity will increase. The rate of evaporation will decrease because this air space is occupied by the humidity more. Hence, more humidity is going from the water as a humidity. These molecules will push them back. And another case you can see that humidity is more, then what happens? The molecule escapes. That molecule are again pushed back because there is no space in the air to accommodate the humidity. There is no space over here will accommodate more humidity. So the number of water molecules escapes are being pushed back. Now the molecules are being pushed back. Children, question is, what is the effect of humidity? If the humidity is more, the rate of evaporation will be less. If the humidity increases, the rate of evaporation decreases. Now, if the humidity increases, the rate of evaporation decreases. So humidity is less, the rate of evaporation is more. So you can say that your clothes get to dry in rainy season late as compared to the dry season. Because in dry season, in atmosphere, humidity is less. So, rate of evaporation will be more. Now, children, my fourth point we are going to discuss it. That is wind speed. Effect of wind. My topic is effect of wind. Fourth number. Effect of wind. Now, what the wind does it? Now take the open container example. Here is your again same case. These are the water molecules and always evaporation is taking places. Here molecule is escaping. Then what happens? The wind takes away the humidity. So number of water molecules, wind takes away the humidity. Therefore, the space has got the less humidity, and then the decrease in humidity causes increase in the rate of evaporation. So humidity is the water molecules are carried by the wind, and that a space remain vacant, which is being further occupied by the water molecules which escapes from the liquid. So my question again, what is relation between humidity? What is the relation between humidity and a speed of wind? Or simply you can say wind with respect to evaporation, with respect to evaporation. What is the relation between humidity and speed of wind? If a speed of wind is more, or simply if wind is more, the humidity will decrease, a rate of evaporation will increase. So we have discussed all the factors affecting the evaporation. Now, this is my class. Evaporation part is over. In coming class we will discuss it. What is the cooling effect? What is the effect of temperature on evaporation? And why you use the dead cooler? Why you feel cool during summer? Because if heat is more and you are spraying the water in your field or in front of your house, then why you feel cool? Why you wash your face? Why you use the cotton cloth during summer? What is its effect and why you feel cool? So these all factors we will discuss in coming class. And that coming class will be our last class of this chapter. By the time you do all the questions related to them and start doing the exercise questions. Or any questions are left, please put me in my notice. Thank you.